Back row attack once again.
Let's go to Trisha Robredo.
Alam ni Eric and Modi ang pagdidisiplina pala sa Golden Tigresses ay hindi lamang limitado sa loob ng court. Even their social media accounts are being closely monitored, especially when they feel that this becomes a distraction to the girls. With trainings as early as 6 in the morning, dapat daw walang puyat para wala ring magrarason sa ensayo. Now, this is just one of the many sacrifices they have to make, but the most important one remains to be sacrificing for the team. Coach Audrey is pleased with the chemistry and fluidity he has been seeing on court, and he wants the girls to keep the communication lines open. Sabi niya rin, wag na kayo mamimigay ng puntos. Take the lead early on para makapasok na rin naman yung iba. That's all for now, Eric and Mosey.
And thanks, Trisha. Well, that's exactly what they've done. Maagang bubulusok na ipapasok ni Coach Mamon.
Yeah.
O yung iba, sila Berutiao, nakita na natin, and so many others. Rodina, we've seen.
Right. On the other side naman, it's Coach Francis trying to still look for that 6 that will give him the points and that will work well together inside the court. So it's more of addressing the problem kay Coach Francis. That's why papalit-palit siya ng players. Sa kabila naman si Coach Oji, because of madalas nga malalaki yung lamang nila, he's able to put in some of his new players inside.
And Rodina Mosey contribute na through an attack, back row attack at that.
Oh, Chloe Cortez sending it long. And according to Coach Oji, si Cortez yung kanyang kumbaga ang term miscellaneous, kahit kung sinong hindi masyadong maayos ang nilalaro, pwede siyang open, pwede siyang utility. Sabi ko, ang galing
Versatile.
Oo. Pwedeng middle hitter. Hirap gawin nun, Eric.
Oh yeah, of course. Because unlike other sports like maybe basketball, not saying that basketball is easier, pero ito kasi specializing skill mo at your specific position.
Yes.
Timing has to be perfect for
Right.
and where you're coming from, where you're jumping from, how you're hitting the ball.
Lalo
Ibang-iba.
quick and open.
Yeah.
Very different. Sa basketball kasi may multiple positions,
Yeah.
diba, na pwedeng nakikita natin sa isang
Saka,
player.
if your height fits the position, you may at a certain point take over for a limited amount of time. Hindi masyado maapekto
For
yung laro nyo.
mismatches.
Yeah. Pero sa volleyball, if you can't really get the timing right in that position, and you're holding several positions, that's very difficult. 5 serving 11. Set number 3.
Oh, that's going to be a really
So
long.
strong. Even in set number 3. The tension still extremely high. That was Jasmine Alcaide. Second-year player para sa UE. Not a good reception from Dakaimat. Easy over for UE. Rodina, that hit the tape of the net.
Net block there for Rodina. Ito kasing bata na pang pumalo. Bigay todo Very powerful hitter.
Nescafe Creamy White, Defender of the Day, brought to you by the Drink of the Day. Nescafe Creamy White, hashtag DOTD. There's a half serve today para kay Cortez.
Right, Adorador getting that point. And USGS, remember, Baliton now inside, in front for the University of the East. Lady Warriors.
Well, let's see if she can be a factor here. 5 ang hinahabol ng Lady Warriors. 7 serving 12.
Lalo na, you have Ria Meneses in front also for UST.
Takaimat. She got lucky there. Meneses was right in front of the ball.
That's right.
Sa labas ng kumalbog, ano? But still good serving.
Yes, you're still on the line. Yun ang importante. Una, steady serves, di ba? That they put in their serves.
Let's go to Yvette Din.
Eric and Mosey, if in the first 2 sets, Coach Francis was still unbelievably calm, coming to the 3rd set, medyo galit at frustrated na si Coach. He didn't like that even his senior players are not playing well. He also emphasized to his Lady Warriors na kailangan nilang gawa ng paraan ang nangyayari at kailangan din nilang pumutol. Sinabi pa ni Coach na may depensa naman daw ang Lady Warriors pero kulang pa sa counter-attack. Coach also addressed his players who repeatedly committed errors, saying, "You don't have to please everybody. You just have to win." Back to you, Eric and Mosey.
Thanks, Yvette. Well, yeah, for Coach Vicente, kung yung mga veterans mo kinakabahan, how can they inspire rookies to play better?
That's right. We even, siguro in the beginning, we expected really Dawis and Ador to lead the way, and including Bonon. Pero they were silenced probably on that first set alone, di ba? Na yung when UST pulled away, parang nawala.
Dawis.
Player for Coach on inside. That's Dominique Pacres.
Another rookie.
Another recruit.
Gusto ni Coach Mamon na mabigyan niya ng playing time. Yung mga bago. But this is the closest UE has been in a while.
Yes,
within
and
4.
at this stage, yung mid-portion of our set. Normally, ito na yung nagpo-pull away yung UST. We see about 8-10 points, 10-point lead for UST at this point in the first 2 sets.
Rondina bangs it in. Ito yung mahirap bantayan kay Rondina, no? Ang taas kasi tumalon.
Yes.
So, she has time in mid-air.
May hang time pa.
To adjust. Five-point lead UST. Dawis rejected. 16